Okay, for question 6, it is related to conditional compilation. So sometimes when you have a code and then you want to check or you want to do a debug prints, but usually what you do is just constantly add and remove the debug prints in order for you to check the bug. So instead of keep adding and remove, so why not we create a macro that can do for us. So here, for this question, you need to have a printf statement inside your power function in order for you to print print when debug is defined. Let's say this printf function will be used to print out the value before it returns it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to compile your power C with debug defined as shown below. So we're going to create a macro, we're going to define a macros inside our powers.c with the constant debug. So how we're going to do this? First, since we want to display the value before we're going to display the value before we return the value of result here, right? So we're going to have or we're going to define our macro here where we're going to use if define debug if our program later on declare the value of constant debug. So what we're going to do is we're going to print f and then we're going to print the result value. Then if we have if defined, so we're going to have an if also. And we're done here, so save your file. Then we're going to compile it using multiple C method also. So here you're going to gcc wall pedantic dash unc dash w error dash c bounds.c. So you compile bounds.c right now. So we're gonna compile another one which is powers.c, and then here what we're gonna do is we're gonna declare the function the value of constants debug, which is we're gonna use dash d debugs equal to 1. Then we enter. Now it compiles. Now we're gonna combine the object o file for bounds.o and powers.o. We're gonna run it using the one program called bounds. So we need to write the command gcc bounds.o powers.o -o bounds, because using this program name we're going to run it. So enter first and then we're going to run the program which is bounds. Okay, now they ask us to enter a value, so we're going to enter 5. So you're going to see here, right, 2 2 4 4 8 8 16 16. What does it mean? It means that first of all, since we define or we declare the value of debug equal to 1 here, we apparently ask the function power of 2 to print out the value of result here, which is 2 4 8 16 and 32. After that, for each line that this function is called, we're going to print out inside bounds.c, we're going to print out also the value, the function. So that's why it is output repeatedly boot 2 times, which is first coming from the if define macros, and here is coming from inside main function of bounds.c. Okay, that's all for this question.